Hi, it's Stuart Carter from Howard's Hyundai in Dorchester. Just about to show you a short video on this Hyundai Tucson. This particular one is a 1.6 GDI 177 brake horsepower premium with the 7-speed DCT automatic gearbox. This particular car is in Polo White. It was registered September 2018 on a 68 plate and has only done 14 miles. Now the vehicle is actually registered to Hyundai UK, so they're the first and only owners shown on the registration document currently. Now we're on London Road in Dorchester. If you'd like to pop down and have a look at the car, or give one of the team a call on 01305 266 066.